What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break and Now. We're getting ready for our 16-17 Upper Deck Ice case break. There's still lots of teams left. We're still after this one fills, or after we find our winners, there's still 4 teams left. We're giving away 6 teams here: Columbus, Carolina, Vancouver, Minnesota, Buffalo, and Florida. Top 3, each getting those teams plus 2 chances to win the league. So good luck, guys. Here we go. 952. There's your names. Let me just tell you we're live. Here we go. Again, 952. Top 3 are going to be winners. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Says 952. 952. Last and final. Top 3. And we have Paula, Johnny, and Jay. Paula spot 8, Johnny spot 3, and Jay spot 1. Let's copy him over. 4th and final timestamp is at 9:52 and 9:53 it is now. So Paula, you're taking home Columbus and Carolina. Johnny taking home Vancouver, Minnesota, and Jay is taking home Buffalo and Florida. Congrats, guys. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.